Good afternoon, Chuck Porter with MarineMax Savannah. Take a minute and tell you about this 2020 250 SDX Sea Ray. The boat's powered with a Mercury V8 300. So you have aft-facing seating here in the back. You go either way. The seat also slides to the forward, making for more aft area. So a very versatile layout in the back. You have plugs back here for water sports toys or cell phone chargers. And you also have access to ski storage, whatever you may want to use it for. Plenty of cup holders back here. Storage compartment on the floor. Slides back forward to give you more cockpit room. You have storage throughout. Bench seating, so plenty of room for folks. Tons of cup holders all the way around. Battery switches up here, so you don't have to worry about going down into a compartment and try to get your battery switch turned on. You have storage under here with a cooler. At the helm, we have a Simrad GPS depth finder, so easy charting, getting navigation. Fusion stereo, tiltable steering wheel, and digital shifting throttle that powers your outboard engine. So both seats are operational forward and backwards. So you have some opportunities to face aft or forward. In-floor storage compartment that's lockable for skis and water sports toys. And moving forward up into the area here, you have a head. There's some cushions that can go in there and make that a little place where you can hang out, take a little nap. And there's also some electrical plugs in there as well for you. This is one of the first boats that has a side entry to the bow, giving you more room up in the forward. You have storage throughout, a cooler, cup holder, 12-volt plug, and a table goes up here in the bow area. And there's a separate cover for the bow, so this is a nice area to hang out. And it has a bow block-off door to keep the wind out of this compartment when you're running. In this compartment that I mentioned earlier, also has both tables are stored in here. One table for the cockpit is a teak table that folds out, and the one for the bow is just a fiberglass table. So very nice boat with lots of room, great for entertaining, skiing. Has a freshwater washdown on it, and we'd be glad to take a closer look with you. Give us a call, 912-897-9881, MarineMax Savannah. Thank you.